Will Samsung release a Galaxy Tab S4 this year? Well, some Geekbench sheet says maybe. Hey guys, welcome again. Now before we proceed with the news, I just want to remember you to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now that you're done with that, let's jump into Wait a moment, you didn't do as I asked, did you? Okay, I won't force you, I guess. Now that you're done with that, let's jump into the news. We found a sheet in Geekbench referring to a Samsung SMT-A35. And because Galaxy tablets model numbers start with SMT, then this could mean we're expecting a Galaxy Tab S4. However, what is on this sheet isn't really pleasing, but also isn't unexpected. The GPU is Qualcomm Adreno 540, which probably means the processor will be the Snapdragon 835 from last year, since the Snapdragon 845 uses an Adreno 630. This isn't new. Samsung also used a 2016 processor, the Snapdragon 820, in a 2017 tablet, the Tab S3. Moving on to the screen, the size is 10.5 inches and the resolution is 2560 by 1600, making an aspect ratio of 16 by 10, which is the same aspect ratio from the first Galaxy Tab S. I honestly like this aspect ratio more than the 4 by 3 they borrowed from Apple's iPads and used with the Galaxy Tab S2 and Tab S3. We also have 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage, which is a nice upgrade from the 32 of last year. We've got an upgraded camera, 12 megapixels, and Samsung Experience 8.0. The tablet may get revealed on the 25th of February or around that date. I'll keep you updated if something else happens. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, please press the subscribe button and turn on notifications, and I'll see you next time.